Hi there, my name is Levi Omagbemi and welcome to a brand new series. If you just completed our Scratch series, first of all, I want to say a big congratulations. You didn't just learn how to drag and snap blocks together, but you actually learned how to think like a programmer. You learned problem solving, logical thinking, and you developed computational thinking. And you did all of that without worrying about syntax or typing complex code, and you built fun games, apps, and animations. But now it's time to level up and take things to a higher level. In this series, we are going beyond blocks. We are going to start writing real code, and you heard me right. Yes, actual code. And we are going to follow the same problem solving pattern you've already mastered from the last series. The difference this time is that you see how those colorful blocks of code translate into a real programming language. And we'll be using a powerful tool called PictoBlox, and we'll be coding in one of the most popular languages in the world called Python. This is actually your bridge from visual programming to real-world coding. Now, if you are completely new to programming, I strongly recommend you watch our Scratch series first, because it will give you the foundation you need to succeed here. I have attached the link in the description below. In the next video, we are going to break down what PictoBlox is, what Python is, and why this combination is the perfect next step for you. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. Let's get started, and I'll see you in the next video.